Ask me to give your children panadol. Did you not see this video of this man? الذي نفخ, we can only say هذا نفخة كبر. He says, if you want me to give employment to your sons, don't ask me for employment. Ask me to give your children panadol. I saw this clip, and perhaps many people saw this. This is what power does when it gets to the heads of people. And that is why we always give nasiha with no fear to the leaders, to those ones who are in authority, that they should humble themselves. And they should not think that they have superiority over people. Those people that you look down upon, these are the same people who put you in power.